Hi, I'm going to discuss octal to binary and binary to octal in this video. Many number systems are in use in digital technology. The most common are binary, decimal, octal and hexadecimal system. The binary has two digits, that is 0 and 1, so it is called as base 2 system. The decimal is having 0 to 9. So the total numbers or in decimal is 10. So we are calling as base 10 system. Octal is having 0 to 7. The total number present in octal is 8. So we are calling as base 8 system. And the hexadecimal system has 0 to 15. So the total number present is 16. So we are calling it's a base 16 system. In this hexadecimal number system, the number 10 is represented as A. Number 11 is represented as B. Number 12 is represented as C. Number 13 is represented as D. Number 14 is represented as E. And number 15 is represented as F. This is the number representation for the hexadecimal system. Binary number system. Binary number system is used in computers and digital circuits for representing numbers. It has only two symbols, 0 and 1. The base of the binary number system is 2. Digital computers internally use the binary number system to represent data and perform arithmetic calculations. Group of 8 binary bits are called a byte. The place value of each position is given below. This is the binary point, this dot is, and this is 2 power 0 the weight of this position, and this is 2 power 1, and this is 2 power 3. Similarly, here in the fraction point 2 power minus 1 the binary weight at this position, and this is 2 power minus 2 and this is 2 power minus 3. And this position is LSB and this position is MSB, and in the fraction part this is MSB and this is LSB. Then MSB means most significant bit and LSB means least significant bit. For binary bit representations, we are writing 2 power 2. The 2 represents binary bits. One number we can write within how many bits. For example, 2 power 2 is equal to 4. So the binary bit 0 and 1 we can represent in 4 combinations. That is 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Similar way, 2 power 3 is equal to 3-bit combination representations. 2 power 3 is equal to 8. So, 3 binary bits we can represent 8 possible combinations. That is 2 power 0, 2 power 1 and 2 power 2. So, the 8 possible combinations are 0, 0 to 1, 1, 1. That is total 0 to 7. Total 8 combinations we can represent. For 4-bit representations, 2 power 4 is equal to 16. So, with the binary 4 bits, we can make total 16 possible combinations. That is 0 to 15. Total numbers are 16. So, we can make 16 combinations with 4 binary bits. Similar way, for 2 power 5 binary bits, we can make total 32 combinations. For 2 power 6, for 6 binary bits, we can make total 64 possible combinations. Same way, for 2 power 7 binary bits, we can make total 128 possible combinations with 7 bits. Octal numbers are used to represent binary numbers. It has 8 symbols, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So it's called base 8 system. The octal number systems are used very less in digital computers. The positional value of octal number weight is represented as here this is octal point, and this is the first LSB position is represented as 8 power 0, 8 power 1, 8 power 2 and 8 power 3. In the fraction part, 8 power minus 1, 8 power minus 2 and 8 power minus 3. Let's see about octal to binary conversions. The base of octal number is 8, that is 2 power 3. Then each octal number is converted into its equivalent binary digit of length 3. For example, I want to convert number 653 in octal to binary. Just substitute the corresponding code. We know 0 is equal to 0, 0, 0, 1 is equal to 0, 0, 1, 2 is equal to 0, 1, 0, 3 is equal to 0, 1, 1, 4 is equal to 1, 0, 0, 5 is 1, 0, 1, 6 is 1, 1, 0, 7 is 1, 1, 1. So we have to apply these codes directly to the given input. That's all octal to binary conversion. So first 6 is equal to 1, 1, 0. I'm writing here. 5 is equal to 1, 0, 1 and 3 is equal to 0, 1, 1. Now I am writing this is our answer. That's all. Now the next is next question is 35237 convert to binary. So 3 is written in 3-digit form. Each digit is written into its equivalent 3-digit code. 3 is equal to 0, 1, 1, 5 is 1, 0, 1, 2 is 0, 1, 0, 3 is 0, 1, 1, 7 is 1, 1. So the given octal is converted into its binary form. The next question is 57.127. Here 5 is equal to 101, 7 is 111, then octal point, then 1 is 001, 2 is 010, 7 is 111. So this is the way to write our final answer. Let's see about binary to octal conversions. The given binary number is grouped into group of 3 bits starting at the octal point, and each group is converted into its equivalent octal equivalent. This is our given questions. We need to convert into given octal. So we have to group the binary digits into 3 bits. We have to start from the octal point. So we need to group first 3 bits, second 3 bit, and here we will have only 1 bit. So here we can add 2 zeros. 1 means it's equal to 0, 0, 1. So we are grouping into 3, 101, next to 101, and 1 is written as 001. Here grouping like this. Next in the fractional part we have to start from this position. First 111 first group and 01, and we have to add 0 here. So 111 and 010. This is very easy way to convert binary to octal. The need for number conversion systems. Normally, we are using decimal number systems and hexadecimal number systems in our computers keyboard, in our computer keyboards, or mobile phones or calculators or any other electronic devices. So now I want to add 5 plus 3. We know 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. So what we will do? Normally we will type number 5 plus sign and number 3 in the keyboard, then equal sign. So we are typing number 5 plus sign number 3 equal sign. So we will get answer 8 in the monitor. So what we are typing as the input is 5. This is input 1 plus input 2, 3 input 3 is input 3 and equal sign. So 4 inputs we are giving. These 4 inputs we are typing in the keyboard first. So I am pressing 5 plus 3 equal to sign in the through the keyboard. So this is represented in the decimal form. We are using this decimal keyboard in our computers. So first 5 plus 3 is in decimal form. So we are going to convert this decimal to binary by using decimal to binary converters. So for this reasons we are using the number converters. So the corresponding 5 is equal to 0101 and 3 is equal to 0011. And plus sign and equal sign also have equivalent binary codes. I am not representing here. Then this binary values are processed in the digital processor. For example, adder. This is for addition process, so I am using adder. Here it will add 5 plus 3 and the answer 8. Answer is in the binary form. So the answer is 8100 we will get from the processor. Now again this binary value is converted to decimal by another binary to decimal converter. So now the decimal value is displayed in our monitor. This is the actual process involved in the computers. So for this reason mainly we are using the number